Human performance is such a hot topic right now, and this track is full of excellent speakers who are going to give you practical things that you can take away and apply in your organization. The track starts off with Dr. Camila Perez talking about digital procedures, what you need to consider before transferring to a digital format for your procedures. We're also going to have myself and Kevin McManus talking about applying advanced HOP techniques. I've got a session that's going to be on how to apply advanced techniques for your learning teams and how to make those processes more structured and get better, more consistent results from your learning activities. We've got Reb Bricky, who's going to be talking about human performance improvement best practices, as well as we've got outside people sharing ways of improving high reliability and high risk activities. We've got Chris Hansen coming from NASA to talk about how they learned from an EVA incident. And we've also got Mark Paradise talking about how Admiral Rickover built the first high reliability organization. This track is packed full of practical things that you can take away to make mistakes less likely and to improve your organization. So check it out, see which topics are going to be best for you, and come join the Improving Human Performance track at this year's TapRooT Summit.